In our last long form video, you saw us make a cold call, and now we have our first interview scheduled. But remember, we're helping 10 businesses with our marketing company. At least 10 businesses at 10K a month, or maybe 5K a month. We're helping 10 or more businesses on their marketing goals by growing their organic social media from the 5 major platforms: the LinkedIn, the Facebook, the YouTube, the TikTok, and the Instagram. So how do we find these 10 businesses? We go on the old Google. We call them up. We offer to do a free interview on our channel so they get all that great information. And then if they want to work with us too, it's a win-win because they provide income for us to then provide the services for them to 3-4x their income. Think about that. If we charge $10,000 a month and we help them make an extra $30,000 or $40,000 a month, is that worth it? I think so. So now we have to go find these businesses. Remember, we need at least 10. That means we need at least 10 meetings. So we have to call at least 10 businesses. And we might have to call a few more than 10. Who knows? But as long as we take that action right now, it's dark right now, but when you see this, it will be daylight. As long as you take the action right now and you stop putting it off, you'll find that you can create all your goals. Taking the proper action and believing you've already achieved your goals and believing can help everybody achieve their goals as well. All you need is one client, one high-ticket client that you believe you can help and that you help, and that will upgrade your life. How would an extra 10K a month help you? Think about that now. What if you got 10 businesses that you could help? How would an extra 100K a month help you? Yeah, you have to pay for the videographers, the editors, the social media uploaders, the commenters, but how would that extra income help you? And think about the extra revenue you generate for the business. Think how good that feeling is that you help that business reach their next revenue goals. How good does that feel? Doesn't that feel amazing? That's why we're doing this. That's why we're taking this challenge. Thank you, Grant Cardone, for inspiring us. Thank you, Grant Cardone, for inspiring us to do this challenge, because now we're gonna go help 10 or more businesses achieve their goals, and we're gonna just exponentially grow to the next level, the next level, the next level, and the next level.